Alright, see how many places got struck. Yeah, it's moving away. Slowly moving now. That's just ever seen a bad fucking like this.
Yeah. It's the lightning.
You're the flipping
And
stomach.
lightning bolts, I've never seen them, but
Yeah, I
I've
know.
seen put 2 or 3 there.
But I've never seen it all light up. I've never seen it all
that.
I've never seen it all light up.
And again, the lightning bolt, another one.
Where? Where?
Across that way.
Wind's well strong tonight.
Easy, close your legs. Yeah, rain's on now.
Yeah. God.
But that wind's picking up again. Whoa, what was that?
The wind should blow something over.
By the way, there's some neighbours are waking up already.
I know, I noticed that when they heard that.
Ian's not in.
No.
Next door to Ian, he's fucking...
What the fuck is
I
that?
don't know.
I heard that.
What a hole, I saw that.
What?
Lightning bolts crossed there.
No.
Seriously,
Amazing.
I've got on footage, all crossed there.
Yeah.
I tell you, this is definitely going on YouTube.
Okay. I've got some more tonight.
Definitely. Yeah.
I'm doing another one, so don't worry.
Big thunderstorm ever.
Mm.
Whoa. It's all over there.
Oh, crikey. I'm running out of space.
I've got a little bit of space left.
I'll stop about now, I think.
Yeah.
In 2 minutes.
Oh my God.
Whoa. I'll try 3 minutes and that is it, because I haven't got my space left.
Slowly moving away now. I think it's calming down a bit.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I've got it on footage, man, don't worry.
Yeah, I got it on.
So that's Duncan, don't worry. Kong settled now.
That's good. He knows it's going away.
What? Kong settled.
Oh, that one was close to the window, wasn't it?
Yeah, that big loud bang.
Yeah.
God.
Must have hit that something there.
Nah. God, that fucking loud bang.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's moving up to Portsmouth Hill.
If I had my car, yeah, I could just drive out there for you.
Yeah, I know. Done it for 4 minutes.
The trouble is I can't, because Kong's here and Mum's here. Right, no?
Yeah. Whoa.
I've got it, don't worry.
Yeah. Yeah, a car.
So the car alarm's going off.
That's how bad it is.
Car alarm's going off.
Be police out tonight.
Wow.
I saw that, yes.
Oh, yeah.
And my camera was holding it.
I hope so, because I can see it. I can see Duncan there.
Yeah.
But you see that go down there?
Yeah,
I saw it go down. I've got on footage. It's going away now.
It is going away now. Yeah. Oh,
and another
yes, that was another nice one.
I saw one.
That was beautiful.
I saw it.
I bet you.
And again,
Whoa.
over there.
Jesus Christ, this is like the.
And over there again.
You know what I feel like doing?
What's that? Whoa!
Wow. That.
Oh man. I just like it when they do all the flashes over the air. It's wow cool. This is like. Yeah, if I get too close, yeah. I don't want to get struck by lightning. Been struck. That one was really loud. There. Yeah, that big bang was.
Oh.
It hit that fucking roof there.
Yeah, and poor Kong.
And I had and my arms were numb. So it was too close.
It's going away now because the rain stopped.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, that was a nice one. That's 10 out of 10. And it's hit a car.
Hear that?
Whoa. Now that was nice. Right, give it 10 out of 10. This is the best ever Thunderstorm I've ever seen. Here. Here.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, wow!
Yeah, especially the lightning.
Fire brigade's out. That was a fire brigade.
Yep.
Fire brigades are out.
Yeah.
That case.
Yeah, fire brigade.
Yeah,
Flashing lights.
We had that bang, didn't we?
Oh, look at that one. Oh.
But that one mean thing was it hit the front of the window.
I know. That's why I jumped out the way. It scared the shit out of me, that one did.
I know.
That's the first time I've ever been close to a thunderstorm like that.
That definitely hit the fucking front of my window.
Oh.
Did I even jumped?
Yeah, I fucking jumped too.
Yeah, but how loud was that? Powerful that was. Yeah, it's moving across there now, look. Wow. Still flashing a lot.
Yeah.
Cog, I'm here. Yeah.
Wow, that was a good fuse.
Right.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, sorry, Con. I just burnt Con. Sorry.
Guess what?
Hold on. His cherries come off.
Guess what?
My cherries come off. What? Sorry, Rose. I've just burnt the carpet now.
And guess what? You're lucky he's wet.
Yeah, I know.
Wow.
I'm going to have to get another memory card later. Fucking gorgeous this is.
Who's like? Mum's like her.
Oh! That went, did you see that? Went across the line.
Wow.
This is 10 out of 10.
Alright, Kong. Kong's alright. His fur's not burnt, do you know why? His fur's
Yeah,
still
no,
wet.
the fire brigades are there. Where the flashing light. That's where it hit. That's where it hit. They've got the flashing lights there. Yeah,
It's
right
over
in
there.
the next road.
Yeah, 'cause it come to our fucking front window.
Yeah, I know.
Can you see?
I'm going to have to go down there and have a look in a minute.
Shit. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. I'm going to go and pop out.
Oh, look at that one.
Shit.
I caught it, don't worry. Don't worry, I caught it.
It won't be long, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, hurry up, Dunk. Hurry up.
Alright.
Stay here, Kong. He bit my baba, boy. He's alright. But his fur's wet, Mum, so don't worry. Alright, I'm here, Kong. I've got it, don't worry. It's alright, Baba.
Yeah, that lightning hit. Look at that.
Yeah, fire brigade's over there.
We did hear
Yeah, loud bang.
yeah.
It's moved away now.
Wow.
I saw it.
There you go. You ready?
Follow me.
Oh, Lord. Baba.
I'm here still. Look, they're gone. Whoa. From the stomach feels has been kicked in.
Oh, look at that one. Yeah.
It's a good job we're recording this, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's definitely moving away.
It felt like it was over our roof, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'm here, Con. Hey.
Look at that.
I saw that. Rain stopped.
Yeah. Little bit of rain. Big deal. Wow.
Yeah, it did fucking come down.
Wow. See that?
Come on, go on. Go bed.
Yeah. They're behind you.
Better settle down here. Because I'm here. Up. Here. Kong.
Yeah, but that lightning nearly hit off my window bit.
I know. What?
Did you see it?
I saw it, but
It was near. The window's too hot now.
it's in my stomach.
That's what he's like.
Feels like it's been kicked in.
Why?
How's that bang?
Tell me about it. Made me jump, but I'm telling you.
Look at Kong.
I know it's a bad boy.
Kong.
Hit one of the houses over there.
No.
Yeah. They got smoke. There was smoke coming from one of the houses over there.
Fire brigade?
Yeah.
What did they say?
They said one of the you know the aerial.
Yeah.
The TV aerial got struck and it burnt the thing out.
So that's what the bang was?
Yeah, that's what the big bang was.
Yeah, because we did that bang, didn't we?
Jesus Christ.
And they said this is the worst ever storm they've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the lightning and that.
Yeah, and now it's moving away. It's all clearing over there because it's all got stars coming out. So it's all clearing.
Yeah, guess what?
Yeah.
13 minutes footage I've got here.
Wow. Oh, I can't believe it's still around.
Do you remember which house it was?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Stopped. It was there.
Bloody hell, Mum. Guess what?
It was really close.
It's over there. Third house, that's why.
Third house.
My goodness.
That one there. 1, 2, 3 chimneys there. It's that one there in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Students.
Yeah, they jumped out of their skin. The kids came out and fucking shouting. What the fuck was that?
I heard that.
We heard it, didn't we?
Yeah. And there's a bloke with a camera taking pictures as well.
Yeah.
Compton there.
Yeah.
Oh.
God, and you know what time? You know what time it is?
What?
Nearly 1 o'clock.
Hey, Conor room.
Yeah, he's sitting there.
Fast now.
Yeah, it's just flashing over there now. That is amazing.
Is that it?
I think that's it now, yeah, just stop it and just watch the rest of it go over there.